Now next we will study about the Charles Darwin and Alfred Wallace findings. Okay, and what on what basis they worked, that in the earlier centuries it was believed that the God has created everything, and that whatever we see today were created as such. All the species and the different living organisms, they were present like that in the universe, and they remain same, means they will be same in the future also. But Charles Darwin and Alfred Wallace, they opposed, or you can say they challenged, during the 19th century. And what did they found? That during a sea voyage, means sea journey. So Charles Darwin, during a sea journey in a ship, and the ship name is HMS Beagle. Okay, this is very important, HMS Beagle, and it is usually asked in the CBSE questions in the board, that what is the name of the ship. So the name of the ship, that is HMS Beagle. So Charles Darwin, during a sea journey in a ship HMS Beagle, so he concluded that the existing living forms means कि जो कि present है अभी इस time, they form or they share the similarities not among themselves, means कि जो existing living organisms हैं वो सिर्फ similarity अपने आप में ही share नहीं कर रही, but their similar characteristics that are observed in the existing, means the existing life forms also, which were present before millions of years ago. ओके, इट मीन्स दैट कि जो अभी एग्जिस्टिंग लिविंग फॉर्म्स हैं वो तो उनमें तो सिमिलैरिटीज़ हैं ही, लेकिन उनके जो काफ़ी करेक्टर्स थे वो सिमिलर थे विद द लाइफ फॉर्म्स दैट वर प्रेजेंट अर्लियर लाइक मिलियंस ऑफ ईयर्स एगो. Now, next is that Darwin also gave the natural selection. As you have studied in the 10th class, that what is natural selection? Natural selection means only the fit individuals, they can survive and they produce their progeny. So now here, fitness here means it refers to the reproductive fitness. Reproductive fitness means those who are fit, only they will produce their progeny, and the others they will eliminate. Okay, and in this manner they will only survive because their progenies that are produced, and they are selected by the nature, known as natural selection. Okay, so in this manner he gave the natural selection. And next is Alfred Wallace. He also came to the same findings when he worked in the Malay archipelago. Malay archipelago, that is a land which is present between the Indochina and Australia. So during his journey, what he found, that he also came to the similar conditions, that all the existing life forms share similarities and share their common ancestors. How they share the common ancestors? क्यों? Because जो existing life forms अगर वो present है, उनकी आपस में भी similarity है, और उनके similarity किसके साथ होती है? उनके कुछ ऐसे life forms जो कि पहले present थे. तो ये जो सिमिलैरिटी है ये क्या शो कर रही है? दैट दे आर शेयरिंग दी कॉमन एंसेस्टर्स, कि जो अभी प्रेजेंट है अगर उनके करेक्टर्स जो है वो सिमिलर है पहले की लाइफ फॉर्म से, तो ये शो कर रहा है कि दे आर देयर एंसेस्टर्स.